Today, we're looking at one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, the 1979 Camaro Z28. Dressed in glossy black with bold red Z28 stripes, this car commands attention with its aggressive front-end design. The split grille and prominent hood scoop were trademarks of the Z28, designed not just for aesthetics but to enhance the car's aerodynamics. This muscle machine was built to turn heads, and in this pristine showroom, its presence is undeniable. Moving to the side, we see the flowing, aerodynamic shape that defined this second-generation Camaro. The flared fenders, sleek fastback roofline, and aggressive stance were all designed to make the car more streamlined and performance-oriented. At just under 16 feet long, the Z28 strikes the perfect balance between sportiness and muscle. The polished showroom floor reflects every curve and line of this masterpiece, enhancing its bold character. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, capable of producing 175 horsepower, a respectable figure for the late 70s. Paired with a 4-barrel carburetor, this engine delivered solid torque, making it a favorite among performance enthusiasts. In the showroom lighting, you can see the precision and detail that went into this powertrain, from the clean lines of the engine block to the neatly organized components. This was a car that delivered both power and reliability. Stepping inside, the Camaro Z28 brings us back to the late 70s, with its mix of comfort and performance-focused design. The dashboard features a unique cluster of gauges, each with its own retro charm. The Z28 badge proudly sits on the steering wheel, reminding the driver of the power under the hood. The bucket seats, finished in a sporty fabric, provide support for high-speed driving, while the center console offers a clean, straightforward layout. The interior design mirrors the car's exterior, bold and purposeful. The Camaro Z28 rides on iconic 15-inch turbine-style wheels, a distinctive feature that adds to the car's sporty and aggressive look. Wrapped in raised white leather tires, these wheels offer both style and performance. The Z28 was equipped with a performance suspension that allowed it to handle better than your average muscle car, making it a true performer on the road. As you can see, even the smallest details, like the wheels and tires, were crafted to enhance both the aesthetics and the driving experience. As we move to the rear of the Z28, we're met with another signature feature, the dual exhaust system. This car didn't just look fast, it sounded fast too. The throaty rumble of the V8 through these pipes was unmistakable. And with the rear spoiler and red racing stripes running down the back, the Z28 was as aggressive from behind as it was from the front. At the end of the day, the 1979 Camaro Z28 is more than just a muscle car, it's a piece of automotive history. From its bold styling to its powerful engine, this car embodies the spirit of American muscle. The glossy black paint and red Z28 stripes catch the showroom lights, reflecting on the polished floor, reminding us of a time when cars were designed to be more than just transportation, they were designed to make a statement. This is the 1979 Camaro Z28, a true icon of its time and a car that will forever hold its place in the Muscle Car Hall of Fame.